My good old friends, Hage and McKenna, said, "Fuck Squirrel with a gun. I found Squirrel Stapler and you should try it." And I said, "Shit, okay." Giant squirrels mode? Nah, you know what? We're just gonna go straight into it. I gotta start. Here we go. Oh my god. We came here to get away from it all so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. Oh, he rhyming. I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of the wood. Oh my god. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Yeah, okay. Sure. No, let's go to bed. Okay. Where am I already, like, in a dungeon? Is this my cabin? This is a big cabin for... Oh, this is gonna be weird. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Sure, man. What the fuck? I'm already scared. In 5 days, God is coming. Yeah, alright. Me. No, is this just a walking simulator? I can't jump, I can't sprint, I can't click nothing. We're just gonna go out. Oh my god. It is time to hunt the squirrels. Tip of the day, use the map to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Oh, what? Hello? Alright, hang on. Poison grass, do not eat. It's a squirrel. It's a flying exclamation point. What if I eat the squirrel? What if I do that? Oh. I got one. Okay. Poison grass. Oh, what? This grass is poison? I don't know. Why is there a light bulb? Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. You can run with shift. I thought I could while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low with control to hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Okay. Oh, is that a squirrel? No. Okay, I thought it was. Is this poison grass? No. Alright, I'm going hunting. I already have 100 points. I guess that's from picking up a dead squirrel carcass. Let's try to actually hunt a squirrel. Okay, we gotta be quiet. We gotta be quiet. What the f was that? That didn't sound like a squirrel. It sounds like a duck. That's an antelope. Almost said cantaloupe. Or an elk or whatever the f. I don't even know where to go. Okay, let's just here we go. I don't see a squirrel. Squirrels. I thought I just saw some movement. Where the hell, dude? How am I supposed to find a squirrel? At a fire? What the hell? More bullets. I hadn't even shot one yet. Okay, here I am on the yellow dot. Okay, okay, okay. I see. I'm going towards the question mark. What is this? Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods, desiring to ease his loneliness. He saved. Come back tomorrow for part 2. He saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation. As he imagined she must look, he was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar. Oh, alright. Going squirrel hunting. Yes, sirree, boy. I'm on top of the 3 red dots, but I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh! I see you, motherfucker! There's one. Check this out. Pop! Damn, missed. Oh, I thought I saw another one. Check this out. Pop! Oh, come the fuck gone. I can't move when I'm aiming. I sneak up on that bastard. Oh, there's another one. Ready for this? Pah! I must have hit it there. Yes, sir! We got us one, boys! Alright. What is that? Is that a squirrel? What the fuck was that? Oh, there it is. Pat! Pow! I see you, you little varmint. Pat! They call me the squirrel killer. I'm on the hunt for all the squirrels in the forest. God's beautiful creatures are mine for the taking. I need more bullets now. Here we go. Bonk. Am I reloaded? I don't know. Now, how am I supposed to... I want to see what's in this corner up here. What's in the corner of the map? This big old question mark. Oh, here's a structure. Squirrel blind. Oh, there he is. Time to get down low. Get low when the whistle blow. Bow, bow, bow. Did I just see it? Yeah, it is. There's another note, though. And another carcass? No, it's coffee. Is that Coca-Cola? It's a good old brewski. What? What? Okay. Jesus. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. Let's go. Let's go. Why was I just taking damage from standing in between those 5 rocks? Was that a monument? A holy f***ing shit. Come here, you little bastard. Ready for this? Ready for this? Pat! Oh my god! Ah! Why didn't it just reload? Ready for this? Pat! Got him. Alright, hang on. Will the day end if I pick this up? No. These are enough squirrels for today. There's another location and a page. I should head back home. Give me a schmeckend. I'm gonna see what this... Ooh. Nothing of note to report. Some marginal abnormalities in readings that went away once I recalibrated. Some odd noises during the night. Probably squirrels. Overall, everything is pretty quiet. Come back tomorrow for another report. Can't open this yet. Okay, this is the location. Well, I guess we'll head back. Go to the north edge of the map towards the east. Didn't I just... Was it? Yeah, that was... I did. That was that location right there. I went there. Nothing to report. So we will head back home. Squirrels can sometimes run at speeds up to 20 miles an hour. That's comforting. Let me grab this and run back home. It's to the this way. Meow. You'll never catch me, squirrels. Damn, I am running. I'm gonna get these bullets just in case. All right. Well, then I ran out that bit up down. Another energy drink. Don't mind if I do. I'm at the edge. All right, we're gonna go straight east. Danger is lurking around every turn. Trust your feeling. Got to. Found today's geocache. Ooh! One playthrough for a reward. I found a geocache. Hell yeah. Here's my house. Alright. Where's the body? Oh, no. In 5 days, God's coming. Okay. Oh my god, It's dark. I don't like this now. If a squirrel... Oh, fuck. If a big old squirrel jumps at me, I'm gonna freak! There's blood. Was there blood there last time? Yeah. Thou shalt squirrel. Okay. Press action left mouse to staple the squirrels to your beloved. Okay. I guess we sleepy time. You are sleeping. All right. Day 2, another beautiful day. Hello, squirrel beloved. I don't want to see anything. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means. But we're adhering it. I'm adhering. So maybe we shouldn't be doing this. We should not be adhering. What's the point of this room if nothing happens? Okay. Oh, my fucking lord. I'm just waiting for anything to destroy me. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. Tip of the day. Come back for another tip. Use the map. Use the call to track and lure big squirrels. More dead squirrels. How nice. That's my squirrel call. Alright. Will the big squirrel... That's a ghost! Yeah! That was a specter squirrel. Okay. Now, shit's precarious. We got us a game now, baby. I'll go this hill. There's health, there's... They responded. Oh my god, they responded. That's crazy. Yeah, we must be quiet. We're on the hunt for the big squirrel. Time to tap into my hunter's intuition. Oh! I see it. Okay. Jesus Christ. Why did that scare me? I know why. It's because I'm a bitch. There's the big squirrel. I'm coming after you. Oh, there's another one too. But if I shoot this, I'll lose the big squirrel. F it. Got his ass. Uh-huh. Yup. Oh. Yeah, be sure to reload. Before the giant squirrel actually, like, takes me. Big squirrel. Goodbye. I killed the big squirrel. Yes, sir. Alright, what's next? 2 more squirrels. Maybe I'll go looking around first. Oh, yeah. Oh, ghost squirrel. I see you. Oh, you are fast. Away from me! Oh, I took damage? What did I take damage from? Okay, well, now I know what to look for, because they move silently. They move silent. Oh, yeah, I see you. I see you. Guess what? Kapow! Aw. I see another ghost squirrel. Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming, boy. Nope, nothing will happen. Okay. Where am I? I'm up here. There was a squirrel. And the squirrel is gone now. Oh, there he is. Squirrels can't outrun me. There he is. I'm hunting the prey. I'm literally going to corner you to the edge of the map. Yeah, see this shit? Kapowski. See this shit? Kapowski. And that's my squirrel quota. Squirrel quota. Squirrel quota. Although squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, they have been known to eat insects, bird eggs, and even animal carcasses. Wow. Fascinating squirrel tidbit. These are enough squirrels for today. Time to head back. But I want to explore. So I'm gonna. Okay, so there's a location I must experience. It is there now. It's like the Sin Cabin. I think it was the thing Hage got me to go to, but then nothing happened. Yeah, it's like the top left corner, isn't it? Where am I? Oh, there I am. Uh-oh. Go, squirrel. Ah! I thought I was reloaded. Let's go to the Sin Cabin. I am apparently sinning by putting squirrels on... adhering squirrels to something that is not divine. Is this the Sin Cabin? Does the note say anything different? Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. Looks like maybe an animal is leaving them, but I'm noting it as per my instructions. Come back tomorrow for another report. Yeah. Totally not weird. What about the middle of the map? There's another question mark in the middle of the map. It was there. Well, nothing has happened. I tried. No, I can't go in. Wherefore art thou? The middle, almost. I'm supposed to go to the top, right? Is this the Sin building? See, there's no green arrow. I can just go in. The artist is inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks, he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Walk across the north border. Like I can go past the edge of the map wall. I've reached my squirrel quota for the day, so let's fool around. Let's fuck around and find out. Oh, hello, note. Squirrels cannot burp, vomit, or experience heartburn. How good for them, because I just did, and I feel heartburn constantly. This is the northern border, right? Oh, 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 I found it! I found it! It's not even marked on the map. Hang on, let me read this note first. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost my score. Okay, let's commit sins. All right. Was that it? Yeah, that was it. I walked in, I filed my taxes on a fax machine. There was a wide squirrel And then, and that was it. And I got 500 more points. Sure. Yeah, all right. I gotta keep going there then. Need more Coca-Cola. All right. Onward to a new squirrel stapling adventure. Adhering to the undivine. Every time I hear it, I think something's gonna. If something jumps out, I'm gonna swear. Okay. Oh, there's a new note here. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. Too bad. You get squirrels. So, that's what you're gonna get. Okay. Betty bye. Another day, another squirrel hunting adventure. What's our new note of the day? Rather like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. You're right, my nuts are gone. I have no nuts for the... Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Oh, no. Large predators will investigate loud noises. Oh, no! We're gonna get predated. Yep. These are not normal squirrel tracks. Uh-oh. Something out there is hunting me. Uh-oh. Ooh, sprint. Well, I'm just gonna sprint around until whatever's hunting me gets hunted back. Blah. Come at me, I dare ya. There's a squirrel right there. Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it can take a few years to do so. I don't think I believe you. Oh my god. Okay, wait. There was a squirrel in this direction. There it is. Ready for this? Ready for this? Bam! Now I must look for the big squirrel. In this direction. I was already being attacked by ghost squirrels. So now... Oh. Oh, there he is. I see one. Ka-chow! I hear something coming up. Oh, that's a big squirrel! I see my last squirrel. Quick-ass day. Bop. Got him. Now I only have one bullet to defend myself from whatever is... Oh, there's the Shady Shack. Squirrel quota. And we're going to go to the Shady Shack. Commit some sins. Oh, wait. I got all my squirrels. What is that? Every day, yeah, okay. Shady Shack. Nice. We have committed our sins. Now, I'm gonna hunt whatever's hunting me. What the fuck is that? I have to go see. Oh, it's another squirrel, but I've reached my squirrel quota. So what the hell is that? An extra squirrel? Say less. See how close I can get to it. Oh. I don't want to shoot it. I'll be out of bullets. Kapow! Kachow! Kushmow! Ha! Yeah, okay. I need more bullets. I need bullets. I need bullets. If I shoot this thing and then something comes after me, I'm fucked. So, I need bullets. Oh, here we go. Now I can murk the squirrel. Ready for this? Ready for this? Ready for this? Ready for this? God's beautiful creation! Alright. We got an extra squirrel. Let's fucking go. I want to go check out that house. Check out both houses, actually. The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman who was examining the pennies he'd given her unfazed. She caught his gaze and shrugged and said, "I reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. Okay. Yeah, for sure. I knew I didn't reload. Okay, go this way. I want to check that other house. Something's hunting me, but I haven't found them or seen them or anything. I ain't scared of nothing. I ain't scared of nothing! New note. Squirrels break down their food with a structure called gastric mill, which is located in their stomach. I assumed it would be. There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks and I hear it at night, moving through the foliage and scratching on the concrete. And in the morning, there are squirrels outside the door, with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them, requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. Ooh. That's icky. Wait, isn't there a sprint boost behind this place? Yes. Calm down, caribou elk thing. I remembered it was a caribou is what I was talking about. No predator can catch me, boy. I'm gonna go through this death circle and get another sprint boost. Meow. Let's go! I'm ready! Oh my god, what the f is that? Pow! Pow! Ah! God. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to use that. Okay, let's just get home then, I guess. That was a chupacabra. It was a walking mine of a chupacabra. It was a C4. Oh, and there's another one. I can't kill them, so we're just gonna leave. Alright. Play my tune. Hell yeah. Alright, we go back. If there's a chupacabra in here, I'm going to freak my Ah! Hey! Okay. Just gonna put more squirrels on here real quick. Hope you like that. Thanks, cool, bye. Just gonna walk to my room. Just gonna walk to my room. Yep, it's not there. Hope you had fun sitting. Hope you enjoyed breakfast. You back on your little perch? Yes, you are. Yes, sirree. There was no note here for me. Good. It's moving. We love that. In this way, the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters live, so that lobsters may die. True words were not spoken. Truer. That's what I meant to say. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I don't like my own cabin. I don't like it. We're on the 4th day. Ghost squirrels have turned into... Oh, there's one. Come back here, you little bastard. Oh, there's one. Bop. I didn't read my fun fact. Hang on. Squirrels are... Okay. Squirrel fact. They're watching. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. There's 2 of them right there. I see you. Oh my god, he's going so fast, but this one has no idea. Kapowski. Oh, you ain't nothing to me, boy. Big squirrel, bro. I'm on a roll. Oh, no. What the hell? They're like all here. I need bullets now. Oh, no, 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 no! Hide in the tall grass? Nope. We do not hide in the tall grass. It's getting dangerous now. Oh my god! Oh, f me, no! And there's a ghost squirrel. What if I shoot it? Pow. Doesn't do anything. I have no... Fuck, no, the squirrel, no, it sees me, no. Oh, I got tingles, and the squirrel's about to hurt me. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Stop that. Okay, well, at least I can eat. My creation was following me. And I got... it's gone now, isn't it? What does that say? Squirrels can debone a human male in under 3 hours. Oh, good, good. And now my beloved is gone. Oh, no, it's right there. Okay. Hey, hey now. Hey there, hey there, hey there. Oh, I'm not liking this anymore. Let's read a fun fact. Let's read more of our story. The artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. He brought it down again, separating her skull into 2 parts, and somehow she still screamed. Again, the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. Cool, 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 lit. Don't be around the corner. Okay, okay. I'm creeped out. I'm creeped out. I didn't find all the geo... Okay, there's one. Hey, bud. Kapow. Goodbye. Oh, there's the big squirrel. Okay, now I know. Ah! Stop! Oh, man. I'm not having fun hunting squirrels anymore. Look for the big squirrel. Oh. I don't know if I shot that. I don't think I shot that. These are enough squirrels for today. Cool, cool. Is he behind me still? No? Okay. Should go back home. How long did was my creation following me? Let me go to the Shady Shack real quick, and then we can, like, vibe out in the Shady Shack. Oh, and I gotta go check that other place, too. Every day, Shady Shack, every day, kapow. It's a flying squirrel, I think. Okay. Any sins being committed? Any beloved chasing me? No? Okay. Let's go check out that other house. We're gonna go check out the report on this place now. And it's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be chill. It's in the walls now, in the concrete, looking for my brain. I can't find it because my brain is inside my skull. But it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brain is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I'm seeing you cower. You're right. You are already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. Good, good, good. Yeah, no, I love that. I love the sound of that. Give me this sprint boost. Make a mad dash. Get me the out of here. Put more squirrels on my beloved. She's still by this this mountainside. Can I put them on her now? Probably not, because I think I tried last. And where are you, my beloved? I've come to staple more squirrels onto you. Nope, won't let me. Oh. No! No! Oh, damn it! Whatever. Get back to the house. I wonder if she's behind me again. Hello? No? Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's see what goes on now. Ah! All right. You eating food? Eating some pasta? No? Okay. Oh yeah, the lobster. Why did it mention a lobster if there was no lobster? Hey, bud. Everything chill? Everything cool? Oh, we put the head, but we didn't put the leg. Here we go. Sleepy time. Damn it, man. Behind me? No, not yet. And I say unto you, in those final days, the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. Cool, 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 cool. God is coming today. Okay, yep, God is coming today. Here we go. Time for God to come. Behind me? No? Oh my god. Oh my god. Rifle has a scope. There was a note. I want to read. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. Oh, f***ing good. Time for God to come. Where is God? Is someone behind me? No, no more. Okay, thank you. We're also gonna read the last part of this story. Art will destroy. The artist's ears rang as he turned it to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure," spelled wrong, "good from this?" And the old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains. But it was poison, and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. Heck yeah. Don't do art. Art is bad. That's the moral. Is that God? Probably not. It's another walking explosive squirrel. No! No! Oh, f no! I'm dead. No! Restart day. I'm trying. Oh. Alright, yeah, what a beautiful day. There you are. Pow! I think that was one. Yep, got that one. Another one was that. Oh, damn it, man. on. I must go commit sin and also shoot the squirrel. I can hear another one. I'm dead. Give me the squirrel! No! Hide in the shady shack! Okay. Tech. It despawned him. No, it didn't. I gotta find my big squirrel, man. What the fuck was that? Oh, oh, oh. I saw another squirrel, but at the same time, I'm a hit from death. And he's close by. Yeah, I can see him over there. There's a squirrel. I'm gonna take a chance here. I'm hiding in the grass, right? Is this not the grass I can hide in? Oh, I'm dead. God damn it. Thought it was gonna work. Another day, another dollar. Here we go. Committing sins. I wonder what sins we're committing. We have 10,000 points now. Don't have to go to Creepy Shack. Don't have to read. Don't have to nothing. What is that right there? I can't see. Looks like a sprint boost. Let's go get it. Fuck it. Do I hear a clock? There's a squirrel here. There it is. Bob. Oh my god, piss off. Ooh, health. Let's fucking go. Where are you, little bastard? There you are. God's beautiful creation. So majestic. I just need one more. I just need one more squirrel. Oh god, I can hear one. It's coming for me. Get out of its range. Get out of its range. I just need one more squirrel. I just need one more squirrel. Either this is a squirrel or this is a bomb monster. Let's fucking go. Pa! Now we run. God's coming in 2 minutes! I must prepare to meet God! Am I going the wrong way? Am I going the right way? Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. God's coming! God's coming! Extra squirrel for the squirrel god! A bonus double squirrel, let's fucking go! Was that a double squirrel? I didn't even notice. Get bullets. How close am I? Oh, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Let's fucking go. We're gonna make it. There's the house right there. Let's go! We're meeting God! Let's go! Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I must meet God. What? What? How do I prepare to meet God? Where is God gonna be? Okay, so it's over here. I just tried to go to the cabin. I tried... God is coming. Okay, we're gonna go back to, like, my cabin? Yeah, my cabin. Okay. 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 Come on, I can make it back. Sit in my chair. All right. No, we sit in my chair and we wait, because I can't do anything here. Where is God? Ah! Oh my God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my. Oh yeah, man. Jesus Christ. Hey y'all.
Howdy. You got to meet God.
I met God.
That was so fucking funny.
Oh my God.
It's the jump scare at the end scared me almost as much as it did yesterday.
Oh my God.